All right, we're going to be doing a review on this Mastercool universal hydraulic flaring tool set. We'll bring it. You open it up, you've got the tool, comes with a cutter. I didn't pay extra to get the GM trans cooling lines, but they are options. You get 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 3/8 push connects. You get flaring and double flaring from 3/16 all the way to 3/8. Then you get metric bubble flaring that is 4 3/4 up to 10 mil. You get your ends for them. These are for your push connects. We're going to end up doing 1 3/16 bubble and 1 3/16 double. To go from a bubble to a double, you put this tapered piece in. I'll show you how to do it. Super slick. So you'll start with your 3/16. Go ahead, drop it in there. Use your recessed part goes down. I'm going to snug it up now just so I don't drop any of this. You can also do GM fuel lines. So throw that in the pocket. Come back over. Okay, then we're going to crack that loose. All you're going to do, you're going to slide the line through till it's flush. Easy way to tell is you can use this flap on the tool. You're just going to go ahead, tighten it up. You flip that to the side, you'll see that that is now flush. You'll thread your handle back. So again, you have that pushed over when it's up, tight against the block. You can push the line in until it touches. It'll make that line flush. Some of the kits don't have them. This Mastercool does. One of the other ones I've used doesn't. It just makes life a little easier for you. And you will just thread that in until it's snug. Make sure that your handle's tight. You close your valve. Pump it till it stops. Open your valve back up. Thread it back out. Take your die out. And you have a double flare. Or a bubble flare, not a double flare. If you were going to do a double, on this side we're just going to do a double. You leave it in the die. I'll show you on the back side. You go ahead, you just put this cone in, and the cone will basically just press that into a double. Okay, now we're going to try the cutter out. The only thing I don't like with the cutter is it doesn't have a chamfer tool on it, but at the same time, a lot of the cheaper ones you buy anymore don't. Really does give it a good cut though. So Again, make sure your fitting's on there. Never sucks more than anything else when you get everything done and then you realize your fitting's on the ground. You don't have to go crazy tight, just pump it until it gets some tension on it. Solid flare. You don't ever have to worry about them getting that like off center where it gets a little ridge and stuff on them. So I made that line a little long. I'll have to cut that down and redo it. But if you do a lot of brake lines, definitely worth the money. If you're only doing them once here and there, maybe, maybe not. Just depends on if you want the ease of use or not. So for the final review on this Mastercool hydraulic brake flaring tool, again, tube cutter, GM fuel lines, the push connect fittings, metric bubble flare, standard metric and double flare, or bubble and double flare. And then you have the options for the GM trans cooling lines. I didn't buy those. Had the kit for a couple years now. Makes brake lines super easy. Just got to grease the threads up every once in a while, and never had a bad flare with one. Takes 5 minutes to do a couple flares. Really can't complain. Definitely buy it again.